Welcome to Ewanuru. Today I'm gonna fix Toyota Sienna glovebox. To open this, there's a two screw. See, this is screw hole right there. One in here, one in there. This that used to be like this. That was like this. And the screw is right there. See, two ball. Right there, there's a two screw. See, this is screw right here. These are a screw, you have to loose it up. See this? You see, usually this thing is broke most of the time. This is the lock cylinder right there inside. See the silver one. See, when I pull the handle, see the thing is moving. The little plastic thing right there. That thing is broke right there. So now what we need to do, you have to buy one of these, the plastic things. It's cheap really, but you have to put back this your cylinder because this will open with your key. You cannot change this one, so you have to put it back. They give you all this plastic body and this mechanism. Just you see there's two like a pin right there. It's plastic little like a tab is holding the hole. Just pry right there. Just pry and pull it. See, just came out. Just came out nicely right there. There's a two spring, one spring here. This one is usually come out, so be careful. If the new one is don't come, you have to put it back. The other one is stay inside. It will come with the new one. So now we have to open this. This is done. This is like plastic. Is and we have to take the cylinder out. This cylinder, you see tab right there. This 1 2 3 4. We need to, you have to take this tab one by one there with this little screwdriver like this. Show you this right here. See, there's a little gap right there. Just push it in. You see this thing has came out, and put something like something to hold this like this. Anything you can put it in. Put this is I have right here. See, this thing is, now you can take the screwdriver off. This thing is not locking. That's how you have to do 4 of them. Like there's a one right there. Let me show you one more. Right there, there's a gap. Just push it in. See, this is the thing. It's opening now. After that, you just push inside something like tin, like this thing. See, there's another one in. So do another one right there. See the gap. Something thin. So this. So the gap is open. just slide it in. Now 3 of them. I don't need to put another one, just leave this open, push it in. You see this lock came out almost. It will come out when you push from here. See this lock came out easily. When you put it in, just you see the tab right there. This tab is locked right there. When you put it back, the lock, see there's a one tab right here. 1, 2, and a 3. There's a 3 tab. Has to be matched with this group. See this right there. See this? There's a slot. Let's go right there. Right there. 1, 2, and 3. So match with 2 groups and just slide it in. See? So inside like this lock. After that, the new, you don't have to do nothing. The new one is come attached like this. New one come attached like this. You just push it in the lock. This one, from all one to this one. That's it. Then put 2 screws back again inside the glove box. Just tie it up. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.